My name is Kathleen, and I'm a dyslexic here to help other dyslexics. And welcome to the second Multisensory Monday. And today we are talking about drawing math problems. So if you struggle with word problems, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Today's Multisensory Monday is all about math, and it is called drawing math problems. So we are using seeing, hearing, and touching to solve this math problem. So I have 5 simple tips to make this easy and doable. So let's go. Number 1 is read the problem out loud or have somebody read the problem to you. Number 2 is draw the problem out. So make it visual or use a graphic organizer to fill it out. You can do either one. Number 3 is to touch and use manipulatives with your drawings to solve the problems. Number 4 is to just go solve the problem. And number 5 is to check it and make sure it's right. Simple, easy, multisensory, and engagement to help with those difficult math word problems. So if you use this, I would love to know how it works for you. I will see you next week for our next tip. Bye, guys.